Hello friends, welcome to today's Python programming and data science class. And in this class we will see the function returning multiple values, and that will come under unit 2. Let us see some simple example for this title, function returning multiple values. And this is our first example, a simple calculator for multiple return values in function. Okay, so in a calculator function we are having three different operations. First one is sum, multiply, divide. Okay, that is in the main program. This is our main program. In the main program we are having two numbers, number 1 and number 2. Okay, so with these two values we are going to compute sum of these two values, multiplication of these two values, division of these two values. Okay, by calling a single function that named calc. So calc with the number 1 comma number 2, right? So after that the control will goes here, definition calc of n1 and n2. Okay, these two values will come here. First, s is the local variable of this particular function. What is the value of s here? n1 plus n2. And next one is m. M is another local variable. The value of m is n1 multiplied by n2. And the third one is d. D is another local variable. The value of d is n1 divided by n2. And after that, this is most important one, we are going to return all the three variables to the main program. Okay, here s comma m comma d. So these three variables will be returned to the main program. This is called as returning multiple values to the function. Okay, and all these three values will be captured by the variables add, multiply, divide in the main program. Okay, the corresponding values will be assigned to the main program variables. Okay, now let us print all these values. Addition equal to add, multiply equal to multi, and divide equal to divide. Okay, this is what our program, and let us see the output of this program. Output. What's the output here? Add is 120, multiply is 2000, and divide is 50. Okay, add, that is 100 plus 20 is 120, and 100 plus 20 is 2000. Multiply 100 multiply 20 is 2000, and 100 divided by 20 is 5. Okay, so this is a very simple example for a function which will return multiple values to the main program. And this is another example. Here we are going to compute the area of different shapes by using our simple example, right? Here we are having two values, side 1 and side 2 in our main program. Okay, side 1 value is 20 and side 2 value is 30. Okay, now let us try to compute the square, rectangle, circle and cylinder area of these two values. Okay, by calling the function calc with the two variables, two parameters, side 1 and side 2. Okay, next the control will comes here, definition of calc of s1 comma s2. Okay, here s is for square. This variable s defines for square, s1 into s1, that is the square of first value. And r is for rectangle. Rectangle is used to multiply these two values, s1, that is side 1 and side 2. And C is for computing the area of circle, So what is the area of circle? Pi r square, isn't it? For getting this pi value, we are importing this math library. So from the math library, we will get math.pi. So this will give 22 by 7. Okay, this is the value of pi, isn't it? So pi into side 1 into side 1, pi r square. This is the formula for the area of circle. And the next one is cylinder. Okay, cy. So here pi into S1 into S1 into S2, pi r square h. Okay. So after computing all these values, we are going to return these values to the main program. So what are the values? Square, rectangle, circle and cylinder. Okay, all these values will be captured to the corresponding variables in the main program. That is square, rectangle, circle and cylinder. Okay, after that let us try to print all these values. Okay, so corresponding print statement is there to print the values of all the variables. Now let us see the output of this particular program. This is output, console output of our program. So area of square is 400, that is 20 into 20, and area of rectangle is 600, that is 30 into 20, and area of circle, that is r equal to 20, isn't it? Pi r square is 67, and area of cylinder, so this is the area of cylinder. Okay, the corresponding output is printed here. So this is a very simple example for the function returning multiple values to the main program. In the next class, I will explain another important topic from second unit. Thank you.